Hey there! Today we are diving into an interesting problem that some developers might come across when working with Perl 6. The problem at hand revolves around setting default values for attributes in a subclass of the core class array. You see, when trying to set a default value for a member attribute in a subclass, like in a given example, things don't quite work out as expected. The default value doesn't get assigned, leading to unexpected outputs. It could be a real head-scratcher. Let's see how we can tackle this problem together. The solution lies in clever workarounds that can bypass the limitations of certain core classes like array. One way to handle this issue is by using a role in Perl 6. By defining a role named member with the desired member attribute and its default value, we can then apply this role to our array instances. As shown in the provided snippet, by using doesMember, we can effortlessly assign default values to member attributes even in an array context. This workaround not only simplifies the process, but also ensures that our attribute values are correctly set. If we're not, problem solved. In a nutshell, when faced with issues of setting default attribute values and subclasses of core classes like array in Perl 6, using a role can be a smart workaround. By defining a role with the desired attribute and its default value, then applying it to your instances, you can ensure that your attributes are correctly initialized. And just like that, a complex problem is elegantly resolved. Well, I hope the solution helps you in your Perl 6 coding adventures. Until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding, folks!